Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share the best career advice to help you land your dream job, especially for you as a roboticist or another relevant careers. And do these really matter? And how can you optimize them for success? Let's get started. Let's start with the first factor. Quick application submission. This is something most candidates don't know. Timing is key in recruitment. So when a job is posted, recruiters and hiring management often start reviewing your application as soon as they come in, not at the deadline. Why does this matter? So the first, positions might be filled before the deadline. And the second, early applicants are more likely to be seen and shortlisted. And the next is because it shows eagerness and proactive behavior traits recruiters love. So according to the recent studies, applying within the first 48 hours of a job posting can significantly increase your chance of getting noticed. So here's the tips to apply quickly, and you can try this in your account. First, turn on job alerts on platforms like LinkedIn or Indeed. And next is prepare a general CV template that you can tweak for specific roles. And the third one, keep your cover letter draft ready for quick edits. So remember, speed is not about being careless. It's about being prepared. If you see a job that fits, don't wait, apply right away. Know that you know speed is essential. Let's talk about your CV content. Because even you are fast, a weak CV can still hold you back. A CV is your first impression, and it needs to be strong, clear, and tailored to the job you are applying for. Essential key components of a successful CV, such as professional summary. A professional summary is a up to 3-line snapshot of who you are, what you bring, and your career goals. And the next essential point in your CV is skill section. Highlight the key skills that match the job description, both technical and soft skill. For instance, your problem solving, your tools that you use every day, like ROS, MATLAB, or you also familiar with simulation like Gazebo, Weebots, etc. And the next one is work experience. Use quantifiable achievements, such as increase sales by 20% in 6 months, rather than listing the duties. And the next is education and certifications. Keep it relevant and concise, so don't make it ambiguous. And the last but not least is the keywords. Include words and phrases from the job posting to pass ATS, applicant tracking system. So which one matters more, speed or content? The answer is both. And this is the formula and the tips for you to success the recruitment process. First, speed gets you noticed. And the second, strong CV content gets you shortlist. Think of this way. If you submit your application late, you may never get the chance to show off your well-crafted CV. And if you apply quickly with a weak CV, you risk getting rejected immediately. So the conclusion is apply as early as possible, tailor your CV to match the job description, and highlight measurable achievement and include the keywords. So there you have it. Speed and quality are your keys to success in job application. Apply quickly to get noticed and craft a strong CV to make it to the shortlist. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share your experience or questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Best of luck with your career journey.